Okay, so here we are, ready for the mains. So this is kind of a bit of a Spanish kind of deal going on. We've got like an almond sauce, some pork shoulder, diced pork shoulder, this sort of lentil, braised lentils. This is kind of like spring greens and some nettles, sort of cooked down with some onions and garlic and some almonds in there. So lots of almonds in this dish. And then we've got like a nettle and wild garlic puree and some wild garlic to go through the lentils, and there's a final garnish. Okay, so first thing, we're going to get our pork warming up, so in that one goes. Probably my saucepan's a little bit big here, to be fair. And go to the pork. And we'll just pop that on a nice low temp. Just rinse this out with a bit of water. Just a splash of water. Okay, so we'll mix it up. Okay, cool. That's on a sort of low-medium heat. Lentils, I'm doing this one. There we go. And again, maybe just a little splash of water in here. Okay, looking good so far. So we've had some new plates made for us this week by the lovely people at Wenlock Pottery. And they're very pretty. Got these ones and these ones, which are pretty fire. Ta-da! Just gonna oil my pan here. I'm bubbling on both sides now. So I'm just going to put them on there and hopefully get that pan up. Okay, nice, that's oiled and it is just smoking. So this is our kind of greens mix. Here it goes. There'll probably be a little bit of water on it when you guys have it, so there we go like that. We're just trying to heat it up really. It's already pretty much cooked in this. Everything. It's pretty hot. Just going to get that one on. Maybe just try and thicken that sauce up a little bit. Right, so plating up. I'm going to start with my lentils. Oh, hang on. Hang on, I need to put some of this through there too, don't I? So that's our wild garlic. About half of that through the lentils. I'm going to do something like this. Take this one. Put it around the side. I'm going to mainly focus on getting the pork out, leaving some of the sauce behind to finally drizzle everywhere. That's all our pork out. Our wild garlic puree. Let me just a bit of a sprinkle of the wild garlic. This is in fact garlic parsley, but you'll have wild garlic.